Language models, I don't know if you know what those are, but that's the general systems that underlie ChatGPT and GPT. They've been progressing over the past maybe 4 years aggressively. There's been a lot of development. GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and ChatGPT. There's a lot of interesting technical stuff that maybe we don't want to get into.
Sure, let's get into it.
Well,
I'm fascinated by it.
so ChatGPT is based on fundamentally on a 175 billion parameter neural network that is GPT-3. And the rest is what data is it trained on and how is it trained. So you already have like a brain, a giant neural network, and it's just trained in different ways. So GPT-3 came out about 2 years ago, and it was like impressive but dumb in a lot of ways. It was like you would expect as a human being for it to generate certain kinds of text, and it was like saying kind of dumb things that were off. And you're like, all right, this is really impressive, but it's not quite there. You can tell it's not intelligent. And what they did with GPT 3.5 is they started adding more and different kinds of data sets there. One of them, probably the smartest neural network currently, is Codex, which is fine-tuned for programming. Like it was trained on code, on programming code. And when you train on programming code, which ChatGPT is also, you're teaching it something like reasoning, because it's no longer information and knowledge from the internet. It's also reasoning.